First we're gonna remove this trim. You can use this tool. I usually just use it a little bit, like to get it loose. Or actually open this first. So you can feel like the clips. If you want to, you can kind of push it forward. I usually just use this, get it loose. It sounds loud, like you might be breaking something, but you're not. I mean, I hope it's not. So it's just these little clips. You're removing these clips here in these sections. And I just unplugged the connection for this button. Alright, now we're gonna remove this outside trim. Just gonna pull it. Has these same clips that come out. So for the actual head unit, there are screws. Screws there, screws there, and then there's the screw back here. This one I already have loose, but you're gonna use a ratchet and then like an extender. I believe this is 10 millimeters. So then this unit, this also has clips. Alright, and then you see your connections. So just go ahead and unplug everything.